Join me as I put the XBOTGO Smart AI tracking gimbal to the test and see if it can keep up with the fast-paced action of sport. I make travel content, but I am making this video because this company sent me one of their products with a special feature which would help greatly in my travel filming career, and I decided to put it to test. I need to let you know that I was not compensated for making this video, but you can get a discount if you buy the product using my referral link if you think the product will be a great add to your gadget, and I will also get a commission without adding up to your purchase price. Today, I am excited to share my thoughts on the XBOTGO Smart AI Gimbal, a device that promises to revolutionize how we capture sport action with its cutting-edge AI technology. The company claims it is the ultimate cameraman for sport enthusiasts. But can it live up to the hype? Capturing dynamic sport action effectively is no easy feature. Traditional filming methods often require a lot of manpower, complex equipment, and a healthy dose of luck. It is easy to miss the decisive moment, and even with a team of experienced cameramen, the footage can still be shaky and unusable. Moreover, the sheer speed and unpredictability of most sports make it extremely challenging to keep up with the action. And let's not forget the added complexity of capturing the perfect angle, framing, and focus. It is a tall order, to say the least. Even professional sports broadcasters struggle to get it right, and we have all seen our fair share of missed shots and poor camera work. The fact is that capturing truly cinematic sport footage is an art that requires a great deal of skill, experience, and patience. But what if I told you there is a way to simplify the entire process and get professional looking results with minimal effort? That is exactly what the XBOT Smart AI Gimbal promises to deliver. With its advanced AI tracking capabilities, this clever device can automatically follow the action, adjusting its position and focus in real time to ensure that you never miss the shot. It is like having a personal cameraman built into a sleek, compact package. So what makes the XBOTGO Smart AI Gimbal tick? For starters, its AI-powered auto-tracking engine is incredibly sophisticated, using machine learning algorithms to analyze the scene and predict the movement of the athletes while you free your hands when you record video. This allows it to make split-second adjustments to its span, tilt, and zoom, resulting in silky smooth footage that is simply breathtaking. It captures 7 sport moves automatically, like soccer, basketball, hockey, football, rugby, lacrosse, and more. It tracks the player accurately by using the feature of Follow Me 2.0 mode, which uses identification technology and logs onto athletes by appearance, body shape, and jersey number. You can edit your videos on the Gimbal app, and the most amazing thing is that by using the XBOTGO app, there are no monthly fees. Each user gets 20 gig of free storage and a subscription-free experience. The gimbal itself is also rock solid, using advanced stabilization technology to eliminate any camera shake or wobble. The user interface is a breeze to use, with intuitive controls that let you fine-tune the device to your specific needs. But enough talk. Let's unbox the gimbal and see what we have got in the box. So okay, I received the gimbal like this. This is the remote control, and this is the box that contains the main XBOTGO AI Cameraman tracking sport gimbal. I'm going to open the remote control. So I will need a key to open the seal, because I've been struggling with it for a while now. So I need a key to open it. This is the remote controller user manual, and this is the portable remote control. So I'm going to put this back and put it aside. So let's quickly go to the main man. So here is the XBOTGO AI Cameraman sport tracking gimbal box. I've already opened this earlier. So this is what we have in the box. We have the sport tracking gimbal user manual. On the first page of the cover here, we have the instructions. It says charge the gimbal before use, and these instructions shows how to unfold the gimbal. Inside the box as well, we have the tripod for the gimbal. This is the gimbal itself. To unfold this, you need to lift the arm up to unfold it. So this is a tripod. You can simply connect the tripod to the gimbal this way to give you a balance when you place your gimbal on the table or on a flat surface. So I'm going to put this down. This is a small bag to keep your gimbal safe in case you get one. This material is really quality. This is a quality material. Okay, this is very nice. You can simply attach this to your gimbal just like this. You can just attach this to your gimbal just to free your hand, from holding it time to time. We have the USB for charging a gimbal. The charging head does not come with the device. You can plug it to any device that has USB port, just to charge the gimbal. So this is all we've got in the box. So in couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to connect the gimbal to the XBOTGO app. Then we'll start recording and see what the gimbal has to offer. Now let's connect the gimbal to the mobile XBOTGO app. Now to use the XBOTGO app, you need to download the XBOTGO app from your Apple Play Store if you use iPhone. But if you use Android, you can simply get it from Google Play Store. So now the app is downloaded. Before you open the app, the first thing you need to do is to enable your Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth from the mobile phone settings. So I'll just bring it down. The Bluetooth is on, it's enabled. So the next thing you want to do now is to clamp your phone to the gimbal and turn on the gimbal using the power button. So as soon as you turn on the gimbal, the stabilization, the arm is going to be stable, so your phone is going to be balanced. Simply place your gimbal on a flat surface or on a table. So then the next thing we want to do is to connect the app to the gimbal. So open the app. So when you open the app, you should see something like click to connect. So once you click to connect, so it's going to connect your gimbal to your phone, and Bluetooth pairing request will pop up. Then click on pair. The XBOT app is connected to the gimbal. So now click on the orange logo. After clicking on the orange logo, then you should see different recording mode like soccer, basketball, football, lacrosse, ice hockey. You see different mode like follow me mode, tennis. So here you can choose whichever mode you want to shoot or you want to film. So this is the simplest way to connect this application, this XBOTGO application, to your gimbal. So you can feel free to play around with the mode on the app to see how each mode works. Finally, let's see the XBOTGO Smart Gimbal in action. I recently had a chance to put it through its paces at a local soccer match, and the results blew me away. The gimbal effortlessly tracked the ball, following it from goal to goal with ease. The footage was stunning, with crystal clear video and smooth cinematic movement that immersed me in the action. I was able to capture some truly remarkable shots, from dramatic overheads to intense close-up, all with minimal effort and expertise. The XBOT Smart Gimbal truly is a game changer for sport enthusiasts, offering a level of quality and convenience that is simply unmatched by traditional filming method. Whether you're a professional videographer or just a hobbyist looking to up your game, this device has the potential to revolutionize the way you capture sport action. So what do you think? Are you as excited about the potential of AI in sport filming as I am? I can actually use this gimbal to film sport if needed during my travels while filming. Don't forget that you will get an exclusive discount if you use the link in the description to purchase the product, and I will also get a commission if you use my referral link without adding extra money to your purchase price. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.